we can move on. So now let's add some rooms. So click onto the room tag and tag all these rooms like so. And we'll change the rooms by double clicking, and it'll bring up the editable box, or you can do it in the properties browser as well, properties palette. But yep, change it to hallway, living room, kitchen, and the last one can be an office. Oh, if you do accidentally do that, just click no, just cross off that and press no. Sometimes it does do that if you double click, but yeah, let's change it to office. There we go. Okay, so now we need to add some stairs. So if we go to stair, click on stair, pick the normal stairs and check if it's to go into the base, ground level, and top floor, first level. So let's draw our stairs. There we go. Now let's just drag it out a bit, bring it close to the wall. Okay, let's just zoom in and have a look, see if that's close enough. Nope. Right, we can use these drag it across to make them bigger, stairs, but or we can just use the arrows like so. So there we go, and press the green tick and we're done. So there we go. Now 3D view. You'll be able to, oh wait, we can't see the stairs, so we're just going to drag the crop box out and do it from a different angle. So we'll just rotate around so you can see the stairs. Now like so, you can see the stairs there, and we need to add a shaft because it needs to go through the floor and the ceiling. So if we go to ground floor, nope, first floor, oh wait, no, first floor, and add our shaft. So there it is, and pick the square tool and we will create a little square which will do a shaft going through the building. So do it. We can do it as far as we want, but we don't need it too far. We need it somewhere where they can get upstairs, because if you do it too small, they won't be able to get it because you won't be able to get your head up. You won't be able to walk up the stairs. You'll be hitting your head. So we can always change this when we've finished it. Ticked it, and we can always change it if it's wrong by editing the footpath. So as you can see, there's our shaft. Now it goes through the floor, so what we can do is click onto the shaft, so like so, and then change it to the base offset to 0. So there we go, now you have a shaft going through the ceiling. Now I think that's a bit too small, so if we go back to the first floor, we'll be able to adjust that. So click onto that and then edit the sketch and drag it out. Or you can use the arrows like I'm using now, and there we go. I think that'll be big enough. Yep, that's big enough for you to get up the stairs. So now we're going to move on to, let's go to first floor and add our railings. So pick the glass railing. You can have different ones, but yeah, we're going to have glass. So pick the normal line tool and draw like a box thing which goes to the wall. So if we go back to our 3D view, you will see there's our railing. Now we can change the type of stairs, like we're going to change it to private, and we can change the railings to like glass or something. We'll have glass to match our railing. So glass. There we go, so there's our stairs and railings and shaft done. Now we should move on to the adding some rooms upstairs. So we need to go to a wall and pick our partitions wall and pick our rooms. I think we'll just do like similar same layout downstairs. We'll do like a little bathroom here. So there's our, like, bathroom with our bath toilet stuff. Okay, so let's draw our next room. Actually, let's cancel this. We'll need like a little hallway thing going down, so let's draw a room to about here. There's our first bedroom. Second, actually, no, we'll do it where we have like a hallway, so we'll do it to about here. So there's our second bedroom, and then our master bedroom at the end. So, oh, there's our third bedroom. Now let's delete this wall. We'll need it so we can go through. So if you click on the split tool at the top, and we split the wall, and we can drag both ends to the edge of the wall, like so. Now we have a hallway goes to our master bedroom. So master bedroom, first, second, third bedroom, then bathroom. So and now we're going to add some lights. So if we go to our first floor ceiling plan and go to component, there it is, load family, and we can load these are all the family default things you get with Revit. You can download some, but off different sites. But yeah, let's pick a light. Actually, we'll just go with the top light. It's simpler. Pick our light, place our lights here. So don't have to be straight or anything. We're just doing it quickly and rough. So you can use the array tool and stuff to align them all correctly. But it's just a quick basic. Just show you how to add lights. So there we go. There's our lights. Now we need to add some doors. So let's pick put a door here. Change it around. Door here. Door here. A door here. So there's our doors upstairs. Now we need to add some windows. So go to window, load family, and pick windows. Where is it? Oh, right at the bottom, I think. Yep. There it is. We'll pick some big windows. I'll pick these windows. Place them there. And one there, one there. Doesn't matter how far you place them about. Place window here, there, and some in this bedroom. Yeah. And there we go. Finished with our light, with our windows. So now we need to align the windows. We can only align, so if we click on window, click the measure tool, aligned, we can only align windows more than 2. So you can't do align 2 windows, you can only align 3 or 4 or more. So minimum is 3. You need to click the middle of the windows, like with a little line, and then click OK. And then if you see up at the top the EQ again, click the EQ and it'll align them. We can drag them across so like it'll be all, they will all follow too, even keeping it evenly spaced. So we need to bring them a bit more across, that's good. So now we've finished with our windows upstairs, now you can see. So back to our ground floor, add some windows downstairs. Have some windows in the office, window there, a few in the living room. Can always align these, don't worry. Now some in the kitchen. There we go. We'll have one in the front. Don't matter about that. So there's our windows done. Now let's do the aligned tool. As you can see in the middle, the lines again, can align these three because there's three windows. Press the EQ. Now we need to do these windows, so we cannot align two, so we'll have to just do these ones. So as you can see, there we go. And as you can see, this is the little line I meant. Hold on, press EQ.